Good morning. Day 4 of 8. I don't know if it's really day 4. There was no closing video last night because everything was closed except the casino when some ding-dong went to bed at 4:30 in the morning.
Painkillers.
We won't talk about that. And so, anyway, seas are rough. You can probably see in the pool. I'll show you that in a minute. But seas are really rough, and ships all over the place. So there's not really many people out. And it's 9 o'clock in the morning, ship time. 10 o'clock Eastern time. But so anyway, another sea day today. We'll be in the Panama Canal tomorrow. We get in at like 6 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, I'll bring that to you. Probably not a whole lot going on today. There is some comedy shows, but naturally we can't bring those to you. And we'll let you know what we have. For breakfast, well, it was an omelet, but I forgot to show you that. But right here, it's kind of a sin to put milk on this because these are Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and what you're supposed to do with Cinnamon Toast Crunch is just eat them as a snack. But we're gonna dump milk on them. Yum yum. Here we are. Where in the world or on the ship is Chris?
That's it.
The Wanderer.
You find the boy, I'll be there.
Ships all over the place today. All day we've been doing it. About 200 miles north of the Panama Canal. Be there first thing in the morning. We're going to Din. Oh, I'm already hit Din. But I'll let you know what I'm going to get here in just a second. I'm lost without Terry. She keeps being locked up. Max got a Michigan pasty. I don't have a clue
It's
what's
meat.
in it.
It's meat and potatoes and a pastry roll.
I got a Caesar salad and a shrimp cocktail. And my bread was so hard I couldn't eat it. Max got the prime rib potato. I got the seafood Newburg. I was supposed to have some soup, but it never showed up.
Right there it is.
Yeah. As usual, vanilla ice cream. Now, I got me a banana split, but I'm not really sure what happened. There's a little bit of ice cream, but not much.
Well, I remember one time.
Right, so
if they say anything.
we know that when they put these out, it's bad. Well, here I am with Ronnie Bullard. He's a comedian here on the ship, and he is really, really funny.
Well, thank you very much.
Right,
sir.
Ronnie?
Yeah, I have fun. Wait till you see the dirty one.
Yeah. Did you
That was
put
the
baby
tweet.
powder?
Yeah, I got some baby powder.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Stuck like glue, 'cause I ain't never loved a man the way that I love you.
Here we are again at the next punchliner. First guy was hilarious, as you saw.
Well, you didn't see the show, but he was, trust me. Well, good evening. Day 4 in the books. And tomorrow morning, it's going to be the Panama Canal, bright and early. So I'm going to hit the sack. It's about midnight, and get up real early, about 5:36, because we're supposed to start going in at around 7. Go through the locks at 8. And you should be done with the locks by 10 to 10:30. We're going to go out, and at 12:35 we go back out. So that's going to be pretty cool, and I'll bring all that to you. So today was kind of a lazy day. Seas are rough, really, really bad. And there's a lot of people. It's actually funny to watch people walking around staggering, and some of them haven't drank anything, but it's rough. So anyway, so we'll be in the locks, like I said, in the morning, and we went to a couple of comedy shows you just saw. Both comedians were very, very funny. I'll put their names up there somewhere, and they were really, really funny. One was Ronnie Bullard, and he had a G show, which was hilarious. I wish we could bring those, but we're not allowed to. So, all right. So anyway, I'm gonna hit the sack. Stayed out of the casino today, and because it's not very nice. And I'll see you tomorrow, going through the Panama Canal. Take care and good night. Just joking. Hot chocolate. You know why I drink it, right? You know, because it's good. Believe it or not, ice cream just closed. 12 o'clock, done. So, all right, well, good night again.